Rose here, and welcome back to the Rose and Daya show, where today I am back with Daya for another map. Today we are doing parkour. And it's Rubik's Cube parkour. And if you guys can see, Daya, get back here. Daya, get back here. As you all can see, Daya and I are matching. These are going to be our skins for the whole month of October, because we decided to match, or these skins might be permanent, because right now Daya is still working on a new profile picture for our channel.
And it will be medieval themed because Rose and me like to medieval theme quite a bit.
Yes, we do.
So expect that.
Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, we also had to fix my perspective there. Okay. Warcrow tried out the parkour. Savory Duke chose most of the puzzles. Burger Cat built the lobby. Riza, owner, built most of the cubes. Farmer helped with the 2x2. Also created the Rubik's Cube house, etc. So there's our credits there for the map. Thank you all so much for creating this map. We will make sure to credit it in the description below of what this map is. Numbers are replaced with words. Please don't add friend or message these players. Our names aren't. Okay, let's get started. Go ahead and click it, Daya.
You click it. I was the one that clicked the button last time. Did you?
Ah! You gotta click the button yourself.
Ah! Oh, lovely. And I already fell.
Oop. Already on the second level. That was quick. Whee. Wait, what? Oh no. No. You cannot do this
Wait
to
for
me.
me. Wait for me.
No, you cannot do this to me. Gosh darn it. How do I do this?
Oh, I did it. Nice.
Yeah, slime jumps are easy.
Shush, you're talking to a
Oh,
new parkour.
that's where I go. Okay, you figured it out. I'm just dumb.
You're just now reading this, Rose?
Shut up. Okay, where do we go from here?
Oh, I see it.
What?
Alright. Oh, get ready, because... do not just wait there.
Oh, I see it. Okay. Ow. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. So nervous.
Ow, I fell again.
Yes.
I hate you.
What do you mean?
I hate you with a burning passion today.
What do you mean? I'm just good at parkour. An issue?
Yes.
Son of a biscuit eating strawberry.
Omega Jaguar, I swear.
Okay. I hate those edge jumps. Those edge jumps suck. Oh, wait, can I get up on that staircase? I cannot. What? Wait, what? Where do I go? Oh, wait, what? Oh, do I go here?
Ow, why do I keep dying? We're falling. I don't know anymore. I feel nothing but pain.
Yike.
Ow.
Oh god. Oh, son of a
At least-
biscuit.
At least I don't feel as much pain as when I made Rose's mom die. Rose?
Son of a biscuit.
I just loved how you ignored me there. I keep dying. I keep falling from the exact same spot. Ah! Okay. hay bales.
Second level, really? Or third level, whichever one this is. No, 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 no! Aww! I'm usually good at parkour.
Yeah, it's because I'm here. I'm a bad omen, and I know this.
Oh. No! I was right there!
Are you kidding me?
I was right at the end.
Rose!
May mess up, Daya.
Carson's texting me.
Oh no, 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 not right now, not right now. Son of a biscuit.
I'm ignoring them.
They spamming you?
16, 17, 18, 19.
Oh god. Ignore
20,
it. Ignore it.
21, 25. How did it jump to 21 to 25?
How do numbers jump?
I don't know, but it's making my phone lag.
Ah!
Carson! You're making my phone lag. I'm already bad at parkour as it is. Oh great, now Samba's spamming me.
You kidding me? Oh my god, that was right there. Right there. Right there. Carson burst. Not. Oh my god.
Okay, my phone stopped for a minute. It's working. Did they give up? So I have 45 unread messages from him. I wanna die.
Don't you even.
Hate parkour.
How long have we been recording? 9 minutes. Oh my god. Oh, we have not even got that far.
I think this is gonna have to be a 2-episode one.
Oh my god. Yeah. No. Oh no. Ah.
Wait, I think I just found a hack out, Rose, on the level I'm stuck on.
No, no! Oh. Okay, I'm rushing through it. I need to chill out. Calm down. Chill out. Okay. Chill out. Chill out, Rose. Okay, right at the end.
I give up.
We are here. We are at the end. We're okay. Oh my god.
You're at the end of the 3rd level?
No! I was right there. You guys, this might have to be a 2-episode map. Son of a biscuit. Son of a biscuit. Slow down. Getting ahead of yourself. Getting ahead of yourself. Getting ahead of yourself. Slow down. Calm down. Hit. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh no! 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 It's right there! No!
This is honestly entertainment just to hear Rose.
Oh, it's right there! You guys! No! Oh my god, why did I pick this map? Why did I pick this map?
Because you like to torture me, and then you end up torturing yourself.
I feel stupid.
You just catching on, sweetheart?
Ah! Okay. It's been a 12-minute video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it. I can't teleport to Daya, but you know. We're gonna go ahead and end it here because this is probably gonna be a 2 to 3 episode parkour. So, if you all enjoy my torture and Daya's torture, please let us know in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!
Like a Hellcat.